As Hara sa Dumaguete, how will you champion destination stewardship to ensure that our city's natural and cultural treasures are protected while still empowering tourism to thrive sustainability? Again, as Hara sa Dumaguete, how will you champion destination stewardship to ensure that our city's natural and cultural treasures are protected while still empowering tourism to thrive sustainability?
Dumaguete, as we all know, is a city of gentle people, but it doesn't just rely on that. Dumaguete has become a home for a lot of people. It has become a culture wherein we welcome everyone despite their nationalities and ethnicities. Despite your living status, if you're poor or not, Dumaguete has become a sanctuary for everyone wherein we are equal despite our standing. However, we should be putting an emphasis in terms of protecting our environment, because I believe personally that this beautiful environment has been gifted to us by our God, and it is up to us human beings, Dumagueteños and Dumagueteñas, to take care of this environment. It is a gift bestowed to us by God, and we should take responsibility in order not to ruin it. As long as we welcome others, may we remember that the core values of Dumaguete is from the word itself, dagit. It means to snatch. Personally, I have been snatched by Dumaguete. I am a victim of being loved by Dumaguete itself. And from that, I believe that tourism will continue to improve as long as we don't forget our environment as well. So as we continue to progress, may we not forget that it is our responsibility as human beings to take care of others as well. And Dumaguete has snatched me. I love Dumaguete. Thank you.
Thank you for that question. I believe that this question is very relevant right now, as we are a very progressive city. We are working towards the heights of progressing our tourism. And I believe what we need to do is have responsible management and development should not cost us the nature and the tourism that is our identity. We should always preserve and conserve our culture, because this is our identity as Dumagueteños. We are not just a tourism spot. We are a natural and cultural city. Thank you.
As someone who has a background in tourism, because I graduated Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, we should always see the potential of Dumaguete. And for us to be able to preserve our culture, our heritage, we have to initiative or champion sustainable tourism practices. And I believe we have to start by giving opportunities to our cultural practitioners, or those that are members, or those that make our culture Dumaguete. I want to take as an example Mr. Andy Villaruel, which is a Dumagueteño who was born with no hands, but he creates miniature tricycles. I think that is an example that if we take care of our treasures, just such as the people around us, the Dumagueteños, then we can move forward, not just as one Dumaguete, but as Filipinos. And of course, I hope that each one of us, I hope to inspire you all to see the beauty of Dumaguete, to see the potential of Dumaguete. I am Hara sa Dumaguete, but more than that, for our environment, for our culture, and for our heritage, I am a Dumagueteña who cares. Thank you.